Okay, kids, today we're going to train the drone by teaching them about shapes. Yes, the shapes like the circle, 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 and the square, 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 and the triangle, 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 and the diamond, 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 diamond. Oh, and the star, 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 star. And we can't forget the heart, 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 heart. To teach the drone, all we need to do is tap on the shape the drone is asking for. Like this one. This is what's this word again? Oh, I know. If you don't know the word, just tap on this button. Yes, this one. Tap on it.
Circle.
See, it tells us the word. So, let's tap on a circle. Great job, man. Now, let's tap on what's this again? Oh, let's tap on the button.
Square.
A square? Oh, okay, let's tap on the square. This one? Great job, man. Now, it's your turn. Let's fix it, man.